Hi everyone, this is Mary from Mary's Stamping Camp with Mary and Mary's Stamping Happenings. And today is Simple Stamping Day. And I'm going to, let's move this up a little so you can see it. I'm going to be showing you this simple stamping card. And it just goes a little bit above simple stamping as we are going to be doing some masking with this. What we're going to be using is, I am using Nature's Beauty. I am also using Good Morning Magnolia. I want to use the thanks, but you can use any stamp set saying you would like. For ink, I am using Early Espresso for the deer, Soft Suede for the trees, Sahara Sand for the grasses, and Merlot for the saying. And I am using one of the Whisper White's stamping note cards and envelopes. I'm also using a Post-it note as a mask. I already stamped the deer and I cut the deer out, making sure I had some of the sticky on the top, okay? So when you mask, you want to stamp the first thing that you want to stand out. So I want the deer in front of everything else. I want the deer to be the one thing that stands out, okay? So I'm going to stamp that in Early Espresso. Just ink up that deer. Maybe I'll move that up just a little more. How's that? And so I'm going to stamp that right down here, okay? Mary's wonderful, Mary's wonderful, Mary's wonderful. Okay, there goes that. Then what I'm going to do is I am going to put my mask over that deer, okay? Just like that. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to take the Sahara Sand and those little grasses, I think they're rye. They look dead alongside the road until after a rain. And I'm just going to stamp those grasses so it looks like the deer is standing in them or around them. Okay, just a few of those grasses. And I can stamp one over here off the page, just like that. And then what I am going to do is I'm going to take my soft suede and I'm going to stamp some of the trees in the background. I want this deer standing in front of those trees, okay? So I'm just going to take that and I'm going to go like that. And do another one. And maybe do one off the page or right behind them. Just like that. Okay. You know what I did? I stamped that in Early Espresso instead of Soft Suede. Oh well, it'll still show up. And then I am going to take, where's my Mary Merlot? I don't want to stamp another Early Espresso one here. You can always use thank yous. There we go. So, quick, easy, let's bring this down so you can see it. Quick, easy, fun card. Makes the deer look like it's, except for that little, makes the deer look like it's popping out in front of those trees and all of that grass. So, remember to follow me on YouTube. Everything you need to make this card is listed down below. Just click on it to order from me. Thanks for visiting and happy stamping. Bye-bye.